Hello viewers and welcome to Review Information. In this video I will show you how to add your current city on Imo. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates. To begin, open Imo on your phone. Tap on your profile icon from the top left corner of the screen. Now tap on your profile picture or name from the top. Then tap on the edit button from the bottom. Now go to Bio. From the below options, select current city. Now enter your city name. Then tap on OK from the top right corner. Now go back. You will then see your current city is added under your bio. From now on, if anyone visits your profile, will see your current city below your phone number. So in this way, you can add your current city on Imo. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.